Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Kiwi dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the Kiwi on the monthly, well, in general, the Kiwi anyways has been very, very weak. And this is definitely looking like 1, 2, 3 waves up, so it probably is at least going to go down and retest these lows. I still think this is either an A or a 1, so I still think there's a very good chance that it is eventually going to go back up like that. But probably not before it actually goes down and retests some of these lows, maybe even this low right here, and grabs liquidity. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, very, very overlapping pattern as you can see. This is definitely a trend right here, which is important because this is a three-way pattern, and this looks like it's making another three-way pattern. So that tells me that this is probably like a double three, like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. Probably grab all these lows, and then it's probably going to turn up to make that either wave C or wave 3 pattern that we've been expecting. So taking it down to the daily time frame, ever since we broke structure way up here on preferably like the 4 to 8 hour time frame, we definitely have been looking for only shorts on shorter time frames. And if you have been doing nothing but looking for shorts on shorter time frames, then I would imagine that you've been seeing some very dramatic profits in your trading account. I think it's eventually just going to go down and take out all these lows at this point, so no reason to stop looking for shorts as of now. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, my most recent structure is right here. So if for whatever reason it turns up and breaks this structure, then I will definitely turn back into a buyer. But that is the only thing that would make me look for buys right now. I am doing absolutely nothing, especially on the shorter time frames, except for looking for shorts at the end of every single one of these pullbacks for the continuation of this downtrend. The trend is your friend, that's for sure. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we had a very slow market last week, but there definitely is a pattern here. 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. That's 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 5 waves up. Looks to me like a flat pattern. And that right there was a nice engulfing move to the downside this morning, and bam, look at it go. I definitely wouldn't try to go short right now, and I definitely wouldn't try to go long right now. The strategy right now for me is to either go down to a really short time frame and look for more shorts, which I don't do because I'm not a scalper, or the strategy would have to be to wait patiently for more pullbacks to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I'm not saying that it is going to pull back right now. It could easily go down more and then pull back later. I'm just saying that when it does pull back, unless it goes up and breaks this structure, I will do nothing but continue to look for shorts on the shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.